So in this video, we're going to be looking at how we can define and use a function in Maple. So this is what the syntax looks like. So we're going to have an F, and then we're going to have a colon, and then we're going to have an equal sign, and then an X, right? So this just represents f of x. And then we're going to have arrow notation, right? And then we're going to have our actual function. So in this case, let's say it's x, our equation, so it's x squared minus 1. In this case, I'll be a little fancy here. And let's add a little bit more. Okay, there we go, right? Now, I want to define this, so we want to actually have a semicolon, like so, right? And we click enter, okay? So we've defined a function. Now let's say we wanted to use our function. Let's say I wanted to find the limit of this function. I'm going to use a limit function. I know I'm using the same word twice here, but let's just say I'm going to find the limit, right? And I'm going to, instead of writing out this entire equation, right, which can be tedious, I'm just going to write f of x. It's useful, especially if I'm going to be doing multiple calculations with this one singular function. So I'm going to find the limit of f of x, where x is going to be equal to 1, right? And we're going to have a semicolon. And there we go. It figured it out. The answer is 2. So that's basically it to defining a function and basically using it. Hope this video helped. Have a good day.